What, what's going on, everybody? Honda Pro Jason here with my friend Leon, and we are in the Netherlands. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
And Leon's going to show us around his garage because let me tell you, his garage is epic. Let's check it out. Leon is a big Honda fan and big Honda collector of all things Honda. And we're going to start with the CRX on the bottom. So when did you get the CRX?
I got this CRX in 2010. I got it pretty cheap. It was a little bit of rust on it. Paintwork was pretty bad. So I got it repainted, got the rust fixed. And that's basically it for this one. Pretty simple.
So it's got the ZC, right? Because of the
yes,
bump?
yes.
Nice. And are these common out here in the Netherlands or no?
They're getting pretty rare over here as well.
Okay.
You still find them, but the prices are obviously going up for these.
And then you have another CRX on top of this one.
Yes.
This looks a little bit more special. Tell me a little bit about this one.
Well, that's my 1985 CRX. It's been a full restoration. Rust repairs, floor pans were rotten out, wheel arches were rotten out. Pretty much everything replaced with OEM parts. Took me 2 years to find all the stuff. Put some new MR5s on it, move the ring, and some OEM fog lights on it as well.
Very, very cool. So let's turn around slowly here. This Civic EG hatchback. This is the one that you brought to Honda Euromeet.
Yeah, I did. Yes.
And tell me, I know this one's gone through a lot of restoration. This is one of your babies.
Yes, this is. This has been basically a dream car to build. I had an EG before this one, and that was pretty nice as well. But this one has suspension fully powder coated, all brand new bushings. All the bolts from the suspension and engine bay are zinc plated, back to the OEM finish. The underside is fully color coded as well as the arches. No rust on it, so that's a big thing for this one. Bronze tinted windows and a pretty rare color, Lausanne green pearl.
Very cool. Now coming around to the side here, there's a CRX that's obviously going through a reconstruction.
Yes, restoration for someone else. That's some of the things I do on the side. Rust repair and repairing cars like this. Picked it up last week from the body shop, had a full repaint. So now it's back to me to get it back together. It's gonna be a full OEM rebuild on this one.
Absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, got a lot of miles on the original engine.
How many?
Kilometers is 500 and a little over, I think, 500,000 kilometers.
Are you going to redo the engine at all, or are you going to put it back in?
Just gonna put it back in, clean everything up. That's what the owner wanted, so that's what I'll do.
What do you got here?
My S2000 US import from 2003. And that's basically just the summer car.
Yeah, you tell it's US. There's no headlight washers.
Headlight washers, yes.
It doesn't say Honda on top of the S2000 there.
I think it's the cruise control that's also AP1.
AP1 with the glass window.
Yeah.
Got it.
But it's because it was 2003, so they changed up those issues, and then they went over to the AP2.
Nice. And you have a little collection of some. Oh, these are parts for the
for the
CRX.
Yes, and then I have some
And
Honda
there's some
signs.
Honda memorabilia stuff.
Yes, those on the wall, they light up. So it's
Oh, very
pretty
cool.
nice. Yeah. And then on the floor there's another one. It's just
That's
bought
cool.
from Germany.
And we have one more car we're going to show you guys outside. Something that a lot of people in the U.S. have never seen because it never came to the U.S.
That's the daily driver.
His daily FN2 Civic Type R.
Yes. In a rare color as well.
It's very cool.
Probably a handful of them in left-hand drive. Deep sapphire blue. The UK got these in the right-hand drive.
Very cool.
One way to go from Malmö to into Denmark and over to Flensburg.
Yeah, because Europe got this and then Japan got the FD2, right?
Yeah.
Fortunately or unfortunately, depending on how you want to look at it.
A lot of people hate these for some reason, but I love it. It's a good daily driver.
I think it looks great.
Yeah.
Looks great. I had one to drive around the Netherlands a few years ago, and I really enjoyed it. So thank you so much for showing me around the garage. It is spectacular. I always love coming out. Of course, I love coming out, hanging out.
Love hanging with you.
Thanks for the burger, too.
No worries.
Super cool. As always, guys, this time from the Netherlands, I'm the Honda Pro, and now you're in the know.